Did you ever find yourself needing a gate latch? Maybe you got a project that you need to finish up, something like this, and you need a little latch, something like this. Maybe it ain't in your parts drawer. Dang it. Maybe you don't have time to go to town and get one. Maybe it's time to get a new pair of bibs and it ain't in the budget. Or maybe it's time to replace Old Glory. Whatever the reason, I'm going to show you in less than 1 hour how to take something like this and turn it into something like this that you can use for a gate latch.